Hello, traders. So here, I'm just got done with a meeting. That's the reason why. So, anyways, just want to show you what's going on here in terms of this is what we call the wealth charts. So again, I have the strategy that I trade is basically the VWAP as well with volume profile. So you can see where we are here with a low node right there. In fact, I've already let me see if I can do this now. It says here prior val. Here's the current one right now. I can bring this down right there. I need to adjust that. So there's your value area low, and that's why we're bouncing off that right now. And I didn't see that because I thought it was up there, so I had to adjust it. There's our value area low. Our mid is usually right here, right? And then your value area high is right here. Now we also have the orb, the 15-minute orb. You can see we're well below it. You could have just taken this trade right here. Once it breaks or closes below I call this the trigger line. This is basically a negative 0.5 deviation. And when you get there, let's say your stop loss is there, you could have made a great trade coming down. And right now, since we already broke this right here, where you see close below the minus 1.5 deviation, most likely it's going to continue coming down and try to hit this, at least the prior value area low. And that's where the minus 2.0 deviation is. And that's really my target is right now. Let me bring that down right there. And you can see so far I'm already up 1,600 today. I'm just trading this, and I have a copy trader right there. My total balance is not that big because I was down like over 2,000, just playing around on this evaluation, playing around with wealth charts and playing around with this strategy that I've been trading. And it's basically part of the strategy is called it's VWAP Wave by Chris Drysdale. It's actually really good. You don't try to predict where the market is going. You just react as to what it's reacting on the deviation levels of the VWAP. Again, with wealth charts, it's almost like Trade-O-Vate, except it's a lot better than Trade-O-Vate. First of all, you don't have issues like you do with Trade-O-Vate with Apex, with the issues with the data feed. In fact, this data feed is directly from the CME, so there's no delays. Directly from the CME. And you see when you buy Apex, when you purchase an eval from Apex, and you do it with wealth charts, the trade copy right here is included, which is great. And these are the proprietary indicators. Not all the VWAP is not proprietary indicator, but these other ones are, in terms of like breakout forecaster, a lot of these other ones like that one. You have all that. Those are proprietary indicators that I use. That's been helping me. So yeah, really good. And actually, you can actually do gold as well. Again, there's a system that I trade, which is actually working pretty good. I was just playing around with this. Had to get used to the trading platform, but now I'm beginning to really like it a lot. That's why I'm doing this live stream right now on it. I just had to get used to all the navigation and everything. And the thing is, if people who want to learn this, here's there right here. You click on this, you'll see down here the tutorials. All the tutorials right here, all the video tutorials. Like for example, the video number 1, the shell, explains in good detail how to start doing the thing. Right, everything on here. It's all videos. Wealth Chart TV, education. Here we go. Yeah, there we are. So they have live stream. There's a live stream, right? So you can ask questions there. Wealth Charts TV, very good. This live stream, you can go there and actually ask questions. They're basically trading wealth charts. Again, I'm trading NQ here. I'm trading 2 contracts, but I already hit the first target. This is my second target right now. So we're heading to the prior value area low on this. It's also the target of the, close to the -2 deviation. Liquidation shows you where your liquidation value is on the chart, which is actually cool. So there, it hit my level there. Again, I'm up 2,160 for the day.
The time of day matters in trading, and learning how to take advantage of it is why I've been stacking some pretty massive winning months. If you're looking for consistency in your trading, you need to understand market timing. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how professional traders divide the day. First, there's the open. This is usually pure chaos more often than not. In US equities, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is called the initial balance. And it's going to tell you everything you need to know about the market's intent for that day. This is when the session structure really forms. Price either breaks out from these levels and continues, or we tend to balance in between them. This 1 hour helps set up all 4 of the VWAP Wave System core setups. We have trend continuations, we have our fades, we have our VWAP bounces, and maybe eventually we'll get that return to value. Midday on a balanced day, this can be a pure graveyard. We get our chops, our fake outs, our traps, lots of indecision. This tends to be where the rookies bleed and give back their profits from the morning. I'm either scalping these small rotations or I'll sit out completely. And in the afternoons, this can be when the real move finally reveals itself. If we had an unfinished downside auction, we might revisit it at the end of the day. There could also be a new imbalance. The second half of the day tends to be when the market tips its hand. One trick to improve your trading could be dividing your chart into a morning, midday, and afternoon trading session. Then you can clearly see what type of activity you can expect. To dive into this a little more detailed, be sure to download my free VWAP Wave Core Setup Guide. It's absolutely free, and it will help show you when to trade, not just where, as well as give you all of the entry criteria to my 4 core setups in the system.
So that's it. That's what I'm trading right now. And you can see now we're reacting on that value area low. It says a low value node. Can probably pull back here into, back up to here, somewhere around here. Okay, guys. Talk to you guys tomorrow.